How to enable two-factor authentication on your FBS account. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to add an extra layer of security for your FBS account, then it is a good practice to enable the 2FA. First of all, open up a web browser and type in fbs.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your existing account. Once you're inside the dashboard of FBS, go ahead and click on the Profile Settings button from the left-hand side menu, and from the Profile section, scroll down and look for two-factor authentication. Go to the toggle menu right next to it and switch it on. And now, confirm your email address on the next page and click on Get Code. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via the registered email address. Go open it up, and once you receive the code, type it down in the text box. Make sure to type down the correct code that you received and click on Confirm. Right after you do that, you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on FBS. Now, every time you log in, FBS will ask you for a second security code, making your account much safer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.